Flight secrets all seniors should know before your next trip. Hello and welcome. Flying can be exciting at any age, but it pays to know a few flight secrets to make your next trip smoother, safer, and more enjoyable, especially for our seasoned travelers. In fact, an AARP survey found that about 2/3 of Americans age 50 plus plan to travel this year, with an average spend of $6,659, proving age is no barrier to adventure. So whether you're off to see the grandkids or finally taking that dream vacation, stick around. Today we're counting down the top 8 flight secrets all seniors should know before your next trip. Before we take off, do us a small favor. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We have plenty more travel content on the way. 8. Take your time and plan ahead. The first secret to stress-free travel is simple. Don't rush. Giving yourself plenty of extra time at every step can make a huge difference in how smoothly your trip goes. Arriving at the airport early means you won't be scrambling through terminals or panicking in long security lines. Many travel experts actually recommend booking the earliest flight of the day. These morning flights tend to be less crowded, more punctual, and less likely to be delayed due to weather or mechanical issues. While early mornings might not be everyone's favorite, the benefits of starting your journey calmly and ahead of schedule are well worth it. Showing up at the airport well in advance allows you to take your time, grab a coffee, use the restroom, or simply sit down and relax before boarding. You'll also have the chance to find your gate without feeling rushed, reducing anxiety and avoiding last-minute dashes that can be exhausting. If your itinerary includes connecting flights, it's wise to build in longer layovers to allow for plenty of time between gates. This is especially important in large or unfamiliar airports, where it might take longer to navigate from one terminal to another. It's always better to have some extra minutes to stretch your legs or enjoy a snack than to miss a tight connection and deal with the stress of rebooking. For very long journeys, consider breaking up your travel with a stopover instead of enduring a marathon flight. This way, you can rest, refresh, and avoid excessive fatigue. Remember, at our age, comfort and pacing are priorities. You deserve to travel in a way that feels good. Planning ahead with plenty of time and room to breathe is the key to a smooth, enjoyable trip from start to finish. 7. Ask for assistance, it's there for you. Here's a valuable tip for senior travelers. Don't hesitate to use the support services that airports and airlines offer to make your journey smoother. Many seniors don't realize that wheelchair assistance is available free of charge when you book your flight, even if you don't typically use one. This service includes a staff member who will escort you through the airport, assist you during connections, and help with baggage claim. In large and busy terminals, having a wheelchair or motorized cart can be a real lifesaver, saving you energy and reducing stress during long walks or confusing layouts. Another important thing to know is your boarding rights. If you feel you need extra time or assistance to board the plane, don't be afraid to ask for early boarding. Airlines are required to accommodate passengers who need more time or help, allowing you to get comfortably settled in your seat before the rush of general boarding begins. All you have to do is speak with the gate agent and request early boarding. Simple and effective. This extra time is especially helpful if you require help stowing carry-on luggage or just prefer not to rush. A useful tip for the end of your flight is to wait until most passengers have deplaned before you get up. Instead of pushing through crowds and potentially risking a fall or injury, relax and let others exit first. Flight attendants and crew members are usually happy to assist you with your bags and ensure you leave the plane safely and without stress. The main point is to never feel embarrassed or hesitant about asking for help. Whether you need wheelchair service, elevator directions, or assistance with luggage, airport and airline staff are trained and eager to support you. Remember, if you don't ask, you might miss out on valuable services designed to make your trip more comfortable and less stressful. Taking advantage of these resources will help you travel with more confidence and ease. 6. Sail through security smoothly. Airport security can often feel overwhelming, but seniors have access to several helpful shortcuts that make the process much easier. One of the most valuable options is TSA PreCheck, a program that expedites security screening for travelers of all ages. PreCheck lets you breeze through shorter lines and keeps you from having to remove your shoes, jackets, laptops, or liquids from your carry-on bags. While anyone can apply, it's especially beneficial for older travelers because it significantly reduces the physical effort and wait times that can make security stressful. If you're not enrolled in PreCheck, don't worry. There are still senior-friendly accommodations. Passengers age 75 and older can keep their shoes and light jackets on during screening, unless the alarm goes off. This is a nice perk, especially in chilly security areas, reducing the discomfort of undressing and redressing. Clear communication with TSA officers is crucial. If you have metal implants, mobility challenges, or other medical conditions, let them know. Officers can use hand wands or perform pat-downs while you remain seated, which helps reduce physical strain. Additionally, for those with medical devices or medications, TSA offers a free service called TSA Cares. By calling their helpline at least 72 hours before your flight, you can arrange for a passenger support specialist to assist you through the security checkpoint. In summary, take advantage of all available resources. Signing up for TSA PreCheck, utilizing senior-specific screening rules, and openly requesting assistance can transform airport security from a stressful experience into a smooth and manageable part of your journey. 5. Medication must-knows. For senior travelers, managing medications carefully is essential for a hassle-free trip. Always pack important meds in your carry-on, not checked luggage, to avoid being separated from essentials like insulin or blood pressure pills. Bring extra medication for a few days beyond your trip in case of delays, and keep them easily accessible during the flight, such as in your personal item under the seat. TSA makes exceptions to the 3.4-ounce liquid rule for medications. You can carry larger amounts of liquid, gel, or aerosol meds and related supplies like syringes, but you must declare them during screening. Keeping medications together in a clear bag and informing TSA agents helps the process go smoothly. Carry meds in their original prescription bottles with labels to prevent confusion, especially when traveling internationally. Also, bring a list of medications and possibly prescriptions or a doctor's note, especially for controlled substances. This can be helpful if you need to explain or replace meds. When crossing time zones, talk to your doctor about adjusting medication schedules. Some travelers stick to their home time zone initially, then gradually shift. In short, stay organized, carry extra meds, keep them accessible, and communicate with TSA. This way, you'll get through security stress-free and focus on enjoying your travels. 4. Stay comfortable and healthy in flight. Long flights can be quite challenging on your body, but with a few simple strategies, you can arrive feeling much more comfortable and refreshed. One of the biggest concerns during extended air travel is circulation. Sitting still for hours increases the risk of developing blood clots in your legs, a condition known as deep vein thrombosis, DVT. This risk is especially higher for seniors or individuals who have existing circulation issues. Although the overall chance of a serious clot is low for most travelers, it becomes more significant on flights lasting longer than 4 hours. To reduce this risk, it's important to move around regularly. Try walking to the restroom every couple of hours, or perform simple exercises like ankle circles and foot pumps while seated to keep your blood flowing. Additionally, many doctors recommend wearing compression socks during long flights. These socks help reduce swelling and improve circulation, especially for those who are at risk or have a history of circulation problems. Another helpful tip is to choose an aisle seat whenever possible. This gives you easier access to stand up and stretch without inconveniencing other passengers. Even if you're seated by the window, don't hesitate to politely ask your neighbors if you can get out for a quick walk or some stretching. Hydration is equally important. Airplane cabins have very low humidity, often less than 20%, which can lead to dehydration, fatigue, and headaches. Drinking water regularly throughout your flight is key. Bring an empty water bottle through security and refill it before boarding, or ask flight attendants for water refills during the flight. It's best to avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine as they contribute to dehydration. Finally, wear comfortable, loose-fitting clothes and shoes. Dressing in layers helps you adjust to changing cabin temperatures, which can often be chilly. Avoid tight or new shoes, as feet tend to swell during long flights due to cabin pressure changes. By focusing on circulation, hydration, and comfort, you'll reduce discomfort and arrive at your destination feeling more energized and ready to enjoy your trip. 3. Make technology your travel buddy. Gone are the days when paper tickets and loud airport announcements were the norm. Today, embracing a bit of technology can make travel much smoother, especially for older travelers. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just a few digital tools can save time and stress. Start with online check-in, available 24 hours before your flight through airline websites or apps. This lets you skip long airport lines. You can print your boarding pass at home or simply download it to your phone, eliminating paper clutter. If you're not comfortable with apps, ask a family member to help set it up before your trip, showing your phone at security and the gate is easy and paper-free. Airline apps also send real-time updates about delays or gate changes, which is helpful since airport announcements can be hard to hear. Alternatively, you can receive free text alerts by providing your cell number during booking. Using these simple tech tools, like electronic boarding passes and flight notifications, can ease travel stress and keep you informed. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask airline staff or friendly travelers for help. With technology as your travel buddy, you'll navigate airports more confidently and enjoy a smoother journey. 2. Snag senior discounts and perks. Who doesn't love a great deal? Senior travelers can save money on trips if they know where to look. While most US airlines have stopped offering automatic senior discounts on every flight, organizations like AARP still provide valuable perks. It's always a good idea to ask about senior rates when booking flights or hotels. You might be pleasantly surprised. ARP is the biggest name when it comes to senior travel savings. If you're 50 or older, joining AARP costs around $12 to $16 for the first year and unlocks a wide range of travel discounts. For example, AARP members can save $65 on round-trip economy tickets or $200 on business class tickets with British Airways. You can also get discounts of up to $50 on flight and hotel packages booked through the AARP Travel Center, which is powered by Expedia. Just one or two of these discounts can easily pay for your membership many times over. Besides AARP, some airlines, especially smaller or international ones, still offer unpublicized senior perks like special fares, free baggage, or priority boarding. It never hurts to ask politely when booking. In addition to discounts, remember free benefits such as early boarding, wheelchair assistance, and help with luggage. Some airlines and credit card programs also offer companion ticket deals or 2-for-1 fares that can be especially helpful for seniors traveling with a companion. In summary, spending a little time researching and asking questions can lead to significant savings. Use your senior status to unlock discounts and perks. Then enjoy spending the money you save on a nice meal or a special souvenir during your trip. So, flash that AARP card or enter your member number online and take full advantage of the travel benefits you deserve. 1. Keep a positive spirit. Travel is good for you. Finally, the most important secret isn't a trick at all. It's a mindset. Keep a positive, confident attitude. You've made it to the golden years, and now is the time to enjoy life. Travel can be a wonderfully enriching part of that. Don't let the little hurdles, like TSA lines or heavy bags, discourage you. Every problem has a solution, and we've just given you plenty. More importantly, remember that travel isn't just possible for seniors, it's beneficial. Studies show that exploring new places can help keep you healthier and happier. As Mayo Clinic experts note, experiencing new cultures and exploring new places are great ways to exercise the brain and may even contribute to healthy aging. Travel stimulates your mind, keeps you active, and lifts your spirits. It's normal to feel some anxiety before a trip. Even seasoned travelers get pre-flight jitters, but don't let fear hold you back. As senior travel blogger Donna Hull says, "Sai, it feels great to conquer that fear. I'm inspired to show boomer travelers how you can do it too." In other words, you can navigate airports and flights just fine, especially armed with the tips we've covered. And you're not alone out there. There are resources, friendly airline staff, and fellow passengers who will help if you need a hand. One extra tip: get a medical checkup before major trips, ideally a month ahead for international travel, and consider travel insurance for peace of mind. Being prepared for the what-ifs lets you focus on enjoying the journey. Above all, keep that spirit of adventure alive. You might not be trekking through the jungle solo, unless you want to, but you can still wander the streets of Rome, marvel at the Grand Canyon, or relax on a beach in Hawaii. Age may have given you wisdom and perhaps a few limitations, but it also gives you the freedom to travel on your own terms, slower and savvier, with a deeper appreciation of each experience. So, pack your curiosity along with your compression socks and medications, and get out there. You've got this. With these flight secrets under your belt, you can fly smarter, smoother, and safer. Go make some new memories and enjoy every minute. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and senior-friendly tips. And leave us a comment with your own favorite travel tip or destination. We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy travels.